Good afternoon, I'm Cadet 2nd Class Adalyn Charlinti from BSME 3 Charlie. In this video, we were talking about the safety precautions while working with the auxiliary machinery. Before working or operating a auxiliary machinery, we must bear in mind, first thing first, we must wear the PPE. Do not wear unnecessary things like jewelry, cup or rings or any metals that may cause an injury while working. Inspect the surroundings, make sure that there is no slippery place or slippery on the area. Make sure you are far from flammable things or materials. Double check the wires. Or any electricity that may harm you, or the broken wires, also the falling objects. Also double check the equipment that you may use to operate or to repair the auxiliary machinery. Also do not work when you're alone. Just always make sure that you have a colleague with you in order to help you if necessary, to guide you. Also to call for help if there is an accident happened. Making sure that there is no hazardous or things that may cause an accident while working. I will be showing some examples. These are the things that you may use or apply for a safety precaution during your work at the workplace.
Tools and instruments. Safety precautions while working in the engine room. There can be different types of hazards one can face while working in the engine room. These hazards are mentioned below. Mechanical. A moving object hitting a person and causing injury. Electrical. One can come in contact with live electrical circuit and get electrocuted. Thermal. Coming in contact with extreme hot or cold objects causing hot or cold burns. Chemical. Contact with corrosive and poisonous chemical can cause burns and allergies. Inhalation. Inhalation asphyxiating and toxic gases can lead to sudden loss of consciousness and death. Noise and vibration is injurious to human health. The appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, when worn correctly provides a barrier between the hazard and the body, preventing serious injuries. Code of Safe Working Practices for Merchant Seafarers may be referred to. Before any repair or maintenance work is commenced, care should be taken to ensure that all measures and precautions necessary for the safety of those concerned have been taken. No maintenance work or repair which might affect the supply of water to the fire main or sprinkler System should be started without the prior permission of the master and chief engineer. No alarm system should be isolated without the permission of the chief engineer. Before machinery is serviced or repaired, measures should be taken to prevent turning or inadvertent starting, as may occur with automatic or remote control systems. Electrically operated machinery should be isolated from the power supply. Steam-operated machinery should have both steam and exhaust valves securely closed, and where possible locked off. In all cases, warning notices should be posted at or near the controls giving warning that the machinery concerned is not to be used. When valves or filter covers have to be removed or similar operations have to be performed on pressurized systems, that part of the system should be isolated by closing the appropriate valves. Drain cocks should be opened to ensure that pressure is off the system. Means of access to fire-fighting equipment, emergency escape routes, and watertight doors should never be obstructed. An approved safety lamp should always be used for illuminating spaces where oil or oil vapor is present. Vapor should be dispersed by ventilation before any work is commenced.